Is Honey Play Box worth your money? Self-care just got smarter. That's how Honey Play Box introduces itself, a brand that blends technology, design, and personal wellness. It's everywhere on social media. Sleek packaging, modern designs, and promises of smarter, safer ways to explore pleasure. But with so many wellness gadgets and smart devices flooding the market, is Honey Play Box really worth your money in 2026? Or is it just another overhyped name with fancy marketing? Honey Play Box positions itself as a premium, tech-driven wellness brand. Their catalog covers everything from compact relaxation devices to fully app-connected smart tools, all designed to promote self-care, relaxation, and intimacy, whether solo or with a partner. The company claims its mission is to make wellness tech more inclusive, body-safe, and accessible. And to be fair, their presentation is polished, clean website, professional branding, and product lines that look more like high-end gadgets than anything else. The marketing promises are bold. The brand emphasizes features like medical-grade silicone, whisper-quiet operation, and AI-enhanced patterns that adapt to user preferences. There's also a strong focus on discretion, minimal packaging, quick shipping, and privacy-first payment options. All of this sounds great, especially if you value both safety and convenience. But how does it hold up in practice? Let's break it down. First, the build quality. Across most reviews, Honey Play Box products score high for durability and comfort. The materials actually feel premium, smooth. Soft-touch silicone, waterproof design, and USB-C charging on nearly every device. The company has clearly invested in hardware quality, which helps justify the price tag. Next, the tech. Some models are Bluetooth-enabled and connect through a proprietary app, allowing customizable patterns and even long-distance control. It's a smart move for a market that increasingly mixes wellness with innovation. The app, while sleek, does have mixed feedback. Some users praise its simplicity. Others mention occasional connection drops or delayed responses. It's functional, but not flawless. Customer experience seems to depend on what you expect. Honey Play Box ships internationally, offers discreet packaging, and provides standard warranties. Support responses vary. Some buyers report quick help with replacements, while others mention slower replies for returns or defective units. Still, compared to many smaller competitors, the brand at least maintains a visible support channel, which already puts it ahead of low-cost imitators. And now, the pricing question. Honey Play Box is definitely not the cheapest option. You're paying for design, app integration, and overall experience. But compared to luxury brands like Lelo or Lovins, it often lands in the middle range, more affordable than high-end boutique brands, but clearly above budget-tier alternatives. For many users, that balance makes sense. Premium feel without luxury prices. What about safety and privacy? That's a big concern for connected devices. Honey Play Box states that its app uses end-to-end encryption and doesn't store user activity. While you should always be cautious with data-linked devices, it's good to see a company publicly acknowledging and addressing privacy. So, what's the verdict? Honey Play Box isn't just marketing fluff. It's a legitimate wellness tech brand with real value behind its products. It's not perfect, especially in terms of app stability and occasional customer service delays, but the overall experience is positive. The materials feel premium, the features work as promised, and the discretion level is genuinely impressive if you're looking for high-quality, personal wellness tools that combine smart features with modern design. Honey Play Box is definitely worth considering. But as always, do your research, read product specs, and compare before buying. The best tool is the one that actually fits your comfort and needs, not just what looks trendy online. If this review helped you decide, hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more honest tech and product reviews. Take care of yourself, stay smart, and keep exploring what works for you safely.